Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your MCAP mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to the Google search bar and then search for MCAP mortgage login. Click on this link over here, which is the third one, and it will lead you to the login portal of MCAP mortgage account. Now, what you need to do is write down your email address, your password, and click login. Then you can successfully log into your MCAP mortgage account. Now, if you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Your Password, and if you have problems to reset your password, click on this and you can reset your password, and you can even retrieve your email account if you have forgotten it. So it's quite simple, guys. Simply go to mcap.com or go to Google search bar and then go to MCAP mortgage and click on the third link which says login. Now write down your email address, your password, click login, and then you can successfully log into your MCAP mortgage account. If you don't have an account, click sign up and create an account for yourself. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.